In today's video, we are going to learn something simple but extremely useful. How to describe your day in English. Many people want to improve their English speaking, but they don't know what to talk about. And the good news is that you don't need a complicated topic. Your daily routine is a already perfect topic. You can talk about when you wake up, what you eat, like when you go to work out, what you do in the evening, what you do in the noon, you whatever thing you do in the morning, in evening, in afternoon, you can tell. So in this video, I will show you how you can describe your day in English. So listen carefully and try after me. Usually I wake up at 4 a.m. and after waking up, I take one glass of lukewarm water. And after taking water, I go to washroom, and after washroom, I brush my teeth and go to workout. Every day I do 1 hour workout, and after doing workout I take shower, and after taking shower I go to puja, and after doing puja I have some breakfast, and after having breakfast I start my work. I start to do my work related to my business, and in afternoon I take my lunch and some rest, and after that I start my work again. And in the evening I do relax, read books, go for work, and sometimes I listen English podcast. And after I think around 6:30 p.m. or 7 p.m. I take my dinner. And after taking my dinner, I do my, like, around 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. I do my work. I do my some work. And thereafter around 9:30 p.m. I go to sleep. So this is my daily routine that I do every day. So you can also tell in this manner, and you can do more better to me. Whatever you do every day, you can describe gradually. So this is my daily routine. So as I told about my daily routine, you can also tell, take your phone, start voice recording, and make suit yourself, or record your voice, whatever things you do, whatever things you did, whatever things you are going to do, everything you can describe about your day, everything you can describe. And you will you will see the improvement, you will see the, like, tremendous improvement. You are like, you are sounding more clear, you are sounding more natural in English speaking. So if you are doing this for 30 days, definitely you will see good improvement in your English, in your pronunciation, in your English clarity, everything. You will see good improvement. Remember, you don't need a perfect English. You just need a practice. Do practice every day. Whatever condition, whatever thing you have, practice every day. Because I'm also, like, I'm not a good in English, but I try to speak in English language whenever I get time. I try to speak. I try to describe my day. I try to describe the object, whatever things I know, and, like, in which manner I can improve my English speaking, I do every day. So, just speak, just, like, practice every day. That's how you can describe your day in English. So next time someone asks you, how's your day? Don't just say good. Try to describe your day in English. And like, try to describe your day in English, what you did, what you have learned, everything you have done in your day. Try to describe, because the more you speak, the more you will become confident, and you will sound more natural in English language. Hey guys, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, comment, and share to your friend who want to improve their English speaking.